Good PM, today is Tuesday, December 5, 2023, and here are the 3 p.m. Small Town Lottery Visayas result today. Here are the SSR 3 p.m. result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lock 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for December 5, 2023, Tuesday. Here are the SSR 3 p.m. result for Mandawi City under Pirana Trading Supply Corporation for Tuesday, December 5, 2023. Thank you for watching this 3 p.m. video for Tuesday, December 5, 2023. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.